Hey, look, bro. If you think I'm lying about Twitch Thots, bro, like why I just made a part one, part two, part three on why they ruined the internet. Check this out, bro.
Noises. Like, stop! I ain't gonna lie, I fucked the bitch, but dude, like.
Hey, y'all just saw one thought sucking on a mic. Y'all saw one making weird feminine noises. It only worked, bro. It's because they are females, and it's because dudes are watching this, bro. For the most part, I would put my life on it. 99% of dudes are watching that. I don't think no girl's watching that. Like she probably like a regular girl. She probably like, bro, what the? This is weird. Like these are loser females. You know what I mean? But who? But like all joking aside, bro, who talentless? Sad, pathetic. Who in the fuck raised this? If that was my daughter, I'm like, bro, man. Like, let's say I name my daughter Melanie. Melanie, you're a loser. I'm telling her straight up, like, this is what you gotta do to make money. You can't go get a regular job. You gotta do this to make money. Sucking on mics. That's like me sucking on this for views. Difference is it wouldn't work. No dude's watching that and no girl is watching that. The only reason why it works for these bum ass females, for these bum ass women, because these are women, right? Bro, look, the second one, you look damn near 25. The first one, you might be damn near 2019, but you might be 25. We don't know. And look, bro, they look soulless. They don't want to do this, but they have to do it for the money. Like my mom said, they do anything for the money. Anything. Hey, look, bro. If I don't make money off this shit, I'll just make some. I'll do something else. I won't be selling myself for money, bro. Anything. This is the real me. You know what I mean? But yeah, though, bro. We got I don't know what else much to say. You know what I mean? I'm kind of like, bro. What you want me to say? I'm done. I'm out, y'all.